It's me, Ramesh. So the question is that what is the main purpose of motherboard? What is the role of motherboard? Basically, motherboard is like a bread, which is a foundation, and then you build your Subway. I mean, tuna sandwich Subway is my favorite on the bread. Maybe you choose oregano, maybe you choose honey, or maybe you choose white wheat bread, and then you start building. You put cheese, you put tuna, you put the veggies. So that is how a motherboard works. Basically, motherboard main function is to connect CPU, RAM, graphic card, all of the PC hardware into one. Basically, it's like a massive connector. Yeah, it's a massive connector. But motherboard also comes with speed. Some motherboard can only do one PCIe 5. Some motherboard can do two PCIe 5. Some motherboard can only do PCIe 4 for the graphic card. The new RTX series can do up to PCIe 5. So, if you are buying a motherboard, please take a look. If you are buying a fastest graphic card and your motherboard can only support up to PCIe 4, do not save money on motherboard. At least spend $250 on a good motherboard, 250 or above. Because if you go down, I mean, the motherboard is motherboard, still it will work. You will not see a massive, performance difference. But again, if you are getting an expensive CPU, expensive RAM, expensive graphic card, then buy a motherboard with PCIe 5 support for the graphic card, for the SSD. So motherboard again is like a massive board which connect your CPU, your RAM, everything. Motherboard does not improve performance. The only performance improve you get in terms of speed, in terms of bandwidth. Again, you have to look like. And most of the motherboard have multiple 8 USB, 4 USB, 3.2, some USB C. Of course, every motherboard can have. And there's type of motherboard like micro ITX, ATX. I'm not going to go into detail because it gets confused here. Motherboard is just a plate, it's just a breadboard which connect everything. And without the bread, you cannot build your sandwich, right? Without a motherboard, you cannot build your computer. A lot of people try to save money on the motherboard. Do not try to save money on the motherboard. I hope this answered the question.